What's going on, guys? I'm Ryan Fenders and welcome back to the Fentertainment channel. On today's video we have my dad's golf cart here. I believe he's bought this golf cart here like 15 or 16 years ago. This is pretty much the way he's done it, other than adding like his personal touches like a sticker or two along the way. Now on today's video we're going to be replacing these seat covers with some seat covers from A to Z Golf Carts. Now, A to Z Golf Carts has the best deal for staple-on seat covers, and it's very economical. Let me tell you about them. They have multiple colors for all different kinds of golf carts available. Just go on the website, pick out your color combination to go with your body color on your golf cart. Also, the price point is excellent. For $119.99, you can get covers to go for the front of the golf cart and the back. The best deal on the internet, bar none, anywhere you can find golf cart seat covers. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump in and let's open these seat covers up for the ones that he's got for his EZGO TXT and get them installed. All right, guys, so this is how the seat covers arrive from A to Z. It took about 2 days to get here in South Carolina. And yeah, that's pretty much how it goes. I have not opened it yet. We wanted to open it on camera to show you guys exactly how they arrive, in case that's what you're wondering about as well. Now I do have a utility knife to open this bag. Be very careful, don't go digging into it. Maybe just find your little corner right here and pop it open. So you have two bags. One bag is going to be for your front seats, and the other bag is going to be for your rear seats. So after you unwrap them here, we know that this one right here is going to be a backrest. As you can see, it's diamond pleated, right? So the diamond is in red. Then you have the black vinyl as well. Very nice looking seat cover. Now all three of these are staplers. You have your manual T50 stapler, you have your Arrow T50 electric stapler, and you have a Sure Bonder. This is the pneumatic stapler. Out of all three of these, I got started with just the manual and I went to the electric, but if I was you, I would skip the electric and the manual, and I'll place a link to this one here in the description below. Very cheap, and I have done so many seat covers for buddies and neighbors and all that kind of stuff. With this one here, it's so much easier on your hands. All right, so we're gonna start working on the bottom of the front seat first. Basically, these EZGOs are easy. Lift it forward, lift it off of the golf cart. All right, so in order to remove the handles here, there's 4 bolts in each handle. On ours, I'm just gonna be using a DeWalt impact here, and I have a 7/16 socket on my impact. All right, so I'm just going to be using a flathead screwdriver here to pull the staples out around this black trim piece. We're going to go ahead and remove this and retain this piece, and we'll reinstall this on a later step. And we're going to go ahead and remove these brackets here for the seat hinge kit. And the reason I'm doing that is because when I wrap this vinyl over this piece of wood here, I don't want to have to cut it around that. If I ever go to cut it around that, it could come loose there, and over time, it could prematurely wear out and just look very bad. So we're just going to take the time and go ahead and remove 6 of these Phillips head screws, 3 in each kit. Once we remove those, retain the hardware, we will reinstall them on a later part. We're going to go ahead and remove these tabs here. I think this right here piece of rubber just gives it enough cushion here when it's resting against the body of the golf cart. Now, these are just stapled on. You might have to use a flathead screwdriver to get under there in order to pry them up, but once you do, you can just pull them right off with your hands. So in order to tell which one is the front and back, remember 3 holes for the seat hinge kit is in the front, and in the back there's no holes like that. So we have the side of the seat here, and notice something, this side of the seat is a little bit shorter, this side of the seat is a little bit taller. Now if we look at the very bottom of the seat, the front of the seat here has the 3 holes for our front hinge, so we know this is the front. The front of the seat is going to be a little bit taller than the rear of the seat here. Also goes for the seat cover. On the seat cover, on the side piece here, you have a taller section and you have a shorter section. Remember, we're gonna be using our pneumatic stapler, and we're gonna be using some 9/16 T50 staples to attach the seat cover to the wooden base. Now, how I like to do it is I like to get the center part of the seat cover first on the front, staple it down, go to the center part of the rear, staple it down, center of the sides, staple them down, then I have 4 different corners I can work with. Man, it's hot.
Yeah, it is.
So this is the back portion of the front seat here. In order to remove it, we had a couple of bolts here. These took a 7/16 socket and a ratchet. Now, in order to remove this back cover from the seat here, our application takes a T20. Yours may be different. Just gonna lift that off and away. Everything on this seat is gonna be about the same. As you can tell here, we're gonna examine this back seat here. They use some relief cuts around this opening here. We may have to do that as well. However, we are gonna put one staple here, one on each side, and we're gonna work one corner at a time. Okay, so when you're laying your seat cover out, be sure that this curved section here goes towards the top of the seat. Like so. We're gonna get the seat here and wrap it around it. They're gonna give you a lot of material on this one here. There's gonna be some stretching here. We're gonna go ahead and staple one here and one here as well. Remember, they did some relief cuts. You may have to as well, but you wanna get it pulled very tightly, and you don't want any wrinkles along this front edge here. Okay guys, we finished the seats on Pop's golf cart here. Now, as you can tell, seat covers from A to Z golf carts makes a world of difference for an older golf cart here. 120 bucks gives us front and rear seat colors, and it spices up the golf cart's look and appearance and overall factor here. So with that being said, be sure to go over to A to Z golf carts and pick your seat colors out for your golf cart today. I'll place links in the description below. Until next time guys, we'll see you later.
Don't wanna complicate you.